Hello bachcho, let's have a look at this question which says which of the following statement is not true regarding plus lactose. तो यहाँ हमें चार statements provided हैं which contains some structural and functional information about lactose जिसमें से हमें incorrect statement को identify करना है जिसके लिए हमें लैक्टोज के स्ट्रक्चर और फंक्शन की इंफॉर्मेशन होनी चाहिए. So the key concept is lactose sugar. Now lactose sugar has a molecular formula C12H22O11. It is formed from the fusion of two monosaccharide. That means it is a disaccharide sugar. It is formed from the fusion of D plus galactose and D plus glucose molecule. So these two monosaccharides are formed via beta glycosidic linkage to form a molecule of lactose which is a disaccharide. अब इसको हम स्ट्रक्चर ड्रॉ करके देखेंगे तो हम सही से समझ पाएंगे. तो लैक्टोज का स्ट्रक्चर ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. तो अभी हमने देखा लैक्टोज is formed from the fusion of galactose and glucose molecule. तो हम इसे ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं वन बाय वन. पहले हम गैलेक्टोज को ड्रॉ करते हैं. इसके फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स CH2OH OH OH and H. Similarly, अब हम ग्लूकोज के फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स को ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. It is the primary alcoholic group CH2OH. Then the hydroxyl groups OH, OH and H, OH and H. ग्लाइकोसिडिक बॉन्ड बना लेते हैं. तो इसका ग्लाइकोसिडिक बॉन्ड is beta glycosidic bond. तो ये inverted type होगा something like this. Okay. अब हमने स्ट्रक्चर ड्रॉ कर लिया है. Now let us look at the options. Option first says lactose plus lactose contains 8 OH groups. Okay. अब हम काउंट कर लेते हैं कि स्ट्रक्चर में कितने OH ग्रुप्स प्रेजेंट हैं. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So it contains 8 OH groups. This statement is correct. Now second statement says on hydrolysis it gives equal amount of glucose and galactose. So now lactose is formed from 1 galactose plus 1 glucose. तो ये इसके स्ट्रक्चर में इक्वल अमाउंट में प्रेजेंट है. तो ऑन हाइड्रोलिसिस it will give equal amount of both the sugars क्योंकि वो initially equal amount में present थे. So this statement is also correct. Now third option says plus lactose is a beta glycoside formed from the fusion of D-glucose and D-galactose. This was the molecule of D-galactose and this is D plus glucose. And the beta glycosidic bond is formed from one carbon of galactose to fourth. This is the fourth carbon. Okay, numbering यहाँ से start होगी 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Similarly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. तो बीटा ग्लाइकोसिडिक लिंकेज जो कि ये ऑक्सीजन की लिंकेज है, it is formed from 1 to 1,4 beta linkage. Okay, so this statement is also correct that it is a beta glycoside because OH was in upward direction. तो वो beta था यहाँ पे. Now the last statement says plus lactose is a reducing sugar and does not exhibit mutarotation. So it is true that it is a reducing sugar, but it does exhibit mutarotation. Via C1 of glucose. C1 is marked by asterisk. So this one is the C1 carbon of glucose. यहाँ पे mutarotation occur होता है and it exists as alpha or beta glucose. So the statement is incorrect. The statement which is not true regarding L-lactose is option number 4, that lactose is a reducing sugar and does not exhibit mutarotation because lactose exhibit mutarotation. I hope you understood this concept. Thank you.